Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the Indesit DSFO3T224ZUKN Slimline Dishwasher. Let's see if it's worth your investment. The DSFO3T224ZUKN may not be the most stylish dishwasher with its plain white finish, but it gets a lot right. One of its main strengths is its flexible internal space, allowing you to adjust racks and holders to accommodate various dishes and cutlery items. It even has fold-down wine glass holders, a feature that impressed us, as it can hold long-stemmed glasses comfortably. The dishwasher offers 9 wash cycles, including Eco, Intensive, Mixed, Delicate, Rapid 30-minute, Baby Care, Extra, Soak, and Push and Go. While the Baby Zoo accessory is handy for families with young children, others might not find it useful and could add to plastic waste. In terms of performance, the DSFO3T224ZUKN cleans well, and the intensive wash effectively tackles heavily stained items. However, the push and go function can be expensive to use, so we recommend opting for the Eco cycle, which is more cost-effective. Speaking of costs, the dishwasher's energy consumption may be a concern. It costs 28.61p per cycle, resulting in 2.86p per place setting. There are more efficient full-size dishwashers available with lower running costs, like the Samsung DW60A8060BB at just 1.74p per place setting. If you're on a tight budget, the Indesit DSFO3T224ZUKN is a solid choice, offering great flexibility and cleaning performance. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more and prefer a more stylish option, you might want to consider the Hotpoint HSFO3T223ZUKN, which has a similar design but includes the intensive 3D zone program. That wraps up our review of the Indesit DSFO3T224ZUKN Slimline Dishwasher on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more appliance reviews. See you next time.